Hello there. Today we'll be working on a garage door and what to do when your garage door will not close. So it opens fine, as we can see. And we'll go ahead and get our LiftMaster here, 3 or 4 button remote. And we have the far left button here programmed to the garage. So we'll try to go ahead and close the garage. And we're getting a flashing light here at the motor. So this lets me know that something's probably going on with the sensors. So let's take a look at our sensors here. Our sensor here, as we can see on the left side here, is going to be having a steady orange light. So as long as we have the steady orange light here, that means that we have power. But the sensor eye here needs to connect to the sensor eye on the other end. So let's take a look at the sensor eye here on the right side. And wow, we don't have any light here, so this lets us know something's probably going on and it's knocked a little bit askew. So let's see if we can get the sensor back in place here. All right, so now we have a steady green light here on the sensor. So let's step out the garage and let's see if we can get this door to close now, see if it's going to work correctly. All right, so now the garage door closes correctly. And both sensor eyes are meeting up at the same level, being able to feed off each other. So we're safely able now to close the garage door. Hope that helped you.